What's up, guys? This is Revamp Ooodiee. Once again, we back with another video, man. We back with another video or live, and necessarily it's the same thing for me. But we are gonna make like some videos, but let's get into it, man. So today we are talking about the psychology behind trading, right? So you can't really be a trader if you don't have any psychology, right? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that mentality and stuff like that, mindset and stuff like that. So we're just going to hop straight into it because, if you watch my previous video, we went over intro about myself a little bit, and we'll talk more about me as we continue on in this journey, right? This YouTube journey. So not only that, we also led to understand that we had went over the three ways the market move: uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, and we actually went over candles, bullish and bearish, right? So the basics, right? Simple stuff. So yeah, so and go watch that video if you didn't, and I believe it was great, straight to the point, simple and whatnot. And it was a little bit about myself, right? So I'm gonna share my screen, and we can get straight to where we need to be. So we're just gonna get straight to it, right? So, yeah. Let me. So Forex trading knowledge, right? So you see where we have this right here, right? I'm trying to, so we got Forex trading knowledge. So you control emotions. I think, yeah, okay, that'll work. So control emotions and mind, right? First thing you want to do. But just as well, let's talk about that. Control emotions and mind. So what do I mean when I say control emotions and mind? Control your emotions is kind of putting it there, like plain and simple. But some people might want you to break it down a little bit more. So like, you might get into the my body, y'all. You might get into the market and you might get greedy, you know what I mean? You might get sad, depressed, or you might get anxious, you might like be superstitious and stuff like that, or even obnoxious. You might not even it's just, you know what I'm saying, you have to control your emotions because the market is going to make you go through every emotion that there is, and you have to face yourself, you know what I mean? So you have to control your emotions and your mind because, you know what I mean, if the market is selling, you steady buying, stop going against the market. Like, if just wait, stop, you know what I mean? Be patient. So that's like your mind, like, oh, it's gonna sell, but it's been buying for the last 2 hours. You know what I mean? Like, it's been uptrend for the last 2 hours. So yeah, that's kind of like that, right? So create personal rules. Setting your own rules to follow when you trade can help control your emotions. Simple. That's literally like that could save you a lot of kickback from the market. And I always tell people, you want to learn to be the best loser in the game. Like, if you're trading with a 100K account and you trade where your risk management is, okay, I can only lose like $1,000 a day until like I lose more than like 3 to 5% in 1 week, right? So let's say you're gonna lose more than 1% a day. So how would you trade that, right? So you'll break that up into 2 trades or 4 trades, right? Maybe 3 trades. But so let's give you an example here. That's 1% of 100K, right? So you can do basically like stuff like that. And So trade the right market conditions. So you would want to trade more like, uptrend, downtrend. I wouldn't recommend new traders starting in consolidation necessarily. So like, and then like the time zones and stuff, which we will get into. Lowering your trade size, don't come in there and dropping big lots and stuff, especially when you're new, because you don't know what you're doing. So you have to get into that where you can be able to drop big lots and the market goes in your favor, because it only could take one trade for it to go south and blow your account. The next thing here is establish a trading plan and trading journal. So yes, so you have to establish a trading plan and a trading journal. It's like having your rules and basically journaling your trades, whether they're losses or wins. I even journal my trades, which I can show you here. So I even journal my trades. So you got date, time, TP. You got pair/session. You got units, targets, entries, and the side that I was on, buy and sell or whatnot. So yeah, I even journal my trades. I have to update this as well. But yeah. So do and most of all, relax, man. You have to relax, right? Oh, I don't even have to highlight it. Y'all see my little marker. You have to relax, right? Relax, man. Just take a deep breath. After you place a trade, walk away for about 5 minutes and come back 10 minutes, whatever time that you can, step away, get a breather away, like as a place to trade. Let's, what I'm saying, get you in a clear state of mind, right? If you're not already in one, right? What's next? Okay, so we got figure out what kind of trader you are. Yeah, like you got to figure out what kind of trader you are. Like plain and simple, you have to figure out what kind of trader you are. So you can be a scalper, is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes and make a fast profit. Short-term windows, 10 minutes to 1 hour or a couple hours, like 1, 2, 3 hours. Pro is fast talk. The pro about it is fast taking gains. Con is difficult with such a time, because it's difficult with such a time because you you have to be in and out, but like you have to be like in and 10 minutes an hour, and that's like some people are good at that, some people are not, right? So intraday is another style that you can trade. It's another word for a day trader. Usually intraday trader will hold their trades for 1 to 24 hours, not going a day or two. Okay. So a pro for this, I have more time to watch the market and predict and hold a day, month. Right here. So good for looking at the charts every so often, check once. You know what I mean? The con, it takes longer, 1 to 24 hours, right? But not necessarily. It could be that hour. You know what I mean? Like that, like 5 hours or whatnot. But so we have a swing trader. Swing trader, simply a trader that likes to hold their trades for a long period. These traders tend to hold trades for days, weeks, or even months. Also, like maybe like a year. So yeah, and then you have leverage. Are people who use other people's money to trade. So yeah, you got leverage traders as well. which a lot of people, particularly leverage traders, but because they got like 1 to 125 and to like 1 to 1,000, 3,000, man. They got some crazy numbers out there, man. Wave, well, they got 5,000 as well too, 1 to 5,000. Wave rider, trader who sees coins that are trending and tries to hop on the wave early enough to benefit themselves. And then also, you know how important it is to identify key price zones and breakouts. These are the areas when the market is likely to reverse, bounce, or accelerate, and where you can find profitable trading opportunities. So, yes. And then remember, I was telling you about Forex sessions like New York Open starts to 5, Tokyo opens from 7 to 4, Sydney opens from 5 to 2. London opens from 3 in the morning, or 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning type thing to 12. And the overlap windows for exchanges are 1 to 4 when both New York and London exchanges are open. That's where a lot of volatile movement in the market happens because there's an overlap. There are a lot, more volatile basically. And then you got, your basic pairs and stuff, Euro, USD, and so on. UJ, GU, UC, AU, UC, and NU. So, and that's all we're gonna go over for today because we went over a lot, right? So, go to my Discord. I want to show y'all something. I want y'all to see what y'all can get into as far as in coming and getting in my Discord. So if you come into my Discord, you'll realize you have this right here, which is a free chat. If you go down to the bottom of my Discord, I have free discuss. So I got let's see your charts. Like I got let's see your charts. So you can post charts on here or whatnot, Forex, indices, crypto. I got free chat. So basically we have, free discuss and talk about whatever is necessary to trading or not. You know what I mean? It don't have to always be about trading. But yeah, you see here, we come in here and talk about trades and stuff. This is a great entry. We entered off a 15-minute range up here in this area. And you'll see how it went, right? So, yeah. That was a great entry that if you took the sale from yesterday, see how I posted that. And I could show you. So, so we doing numbers in here. You know what I mean? Paper trading, you gotta practice. You know what I mean? But this is the call. See how this was before. So see, enter below the high at the 15-minute range and close in the high range of the bullish candle. So then, so if you had held your pay, this was when we was in buys. We had moved up 250 pips, and then we was waiting for it to sell. So simple, right? Because we got in at buys as well. If this is what I want to show y'all. Like, so we got in down here. The beginning. Remember, we was talking about London session, and then the beginning of the overlap of New York session, right? New York session is starting right now, right? So that eventually got to the point where you'll see beautiful movement out of New York session. So then we got we can go. I can go on and on. I'm see that's me CEO obviously. So yeah, we you know what I'm saying, you know, got the games going on and stuff like that. I just want to show people my Discord uh as well, because I feel like this is a great opportunity to be in here, you know, and watching my YouTube videos are also going to be great for you. I think if you really want to get into the depths of trading, you should come join my Discord. It don't cost nothing just to join and come into the free community or the free discuss and get all, and you basically can preview all of these. I send my markups every week, so these are my weekly markups and stuff. I even break down entries a little bit depending on, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. And then we got I even got this entry over this entry thing over here, like tab. So you can set some reviews if you like. And then we got like the profit chat. And then we also have like this stage where I come on and talk like how I'm doing now, so sort of, and I come on here and talk about like the trades that I took today, or how my I come on here and draw up my charts and stuff like that. And then we also have a voice chat where we can just talk as over in general. So yeah, and then if you want to buy Discord, you can do that as well. That'd be, you know, cool or whatever. But if not, you'll get all of what you need. Got introduction, market structure, premium discount, liquidity, entry, exit, supply and demand, management, higher time frames, and psychology. And yeah, you'll be able to do that. We're currently at, I think, like 35 members, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, we are currently at like 35 members. And so but yeah, shot with Revamp Ooodiee, you know, TikTok and all my social media stuff. And these are the options that you have. And so you get 4 channels. You get you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 channels, and then you get all of the channels with that one. And you also get a study guide, tests, PDF files, and stuff like that with this one. You get 1 or 2 PDF files, but then you get all of them with this one, and everything. So yeah, that's really it. I just wanted to go over that and talk about that or whatnot. And yeah, that's all I wanted to do. So I'm going to end share my screen. So yes, so that is all that I necessarily wanted to talk about today. And thank you. This video is 18-20 minutes, so I really honestly don't have anything else to kind of go over right now, but I do. But you know, I want to break it down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Don't want the video be too long. I know it's like watching long videos, but so you know, welcome to Revamp. If you wasn't already here or joined, if you're new, what's up? This is how I do it. This is how I give it. And call it sauce, call it knowledge, hey, call it what you want. But it's just me giving out what I can. You know what I mean? Because if you join my Discord and stuff, it gets a lot more specific and more detailed, so to speak. So these are just, you can find the stuff that I going over, you can find anywhere. So I just, why not, you know, find it through me as well. Like, so yeah, that's why I was going over the basics and stuff and whatnot. So yeah, so the next video probably gonna be about something more towards particularly like trading on the charts, maybe talking about probably talking about something more specific to charts. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you for trading with Revamp Ooodiee and 10-4. Y'all have a blessed one. Stay close to God. You know, keep Him first or keep God first. Because whether it's a he or she, don't matter, right? Like as far as like the highs of our being, but yes, it matters if you know. But stay blessed, highly favored, and you know what I'm saying. Come back and join with the next video with the Revamp Ooodiee. You know what I'm saying, or 1K Simmons. You know what I'm saying. Come join us. Come get with our community. You know what I'm saying. We're going up. You know what I'm saying. We going up. You know what I'm saying. We going up. So 10-4. My fault. 10-4, and I'm out of here, you guys.